trails over the country club.
Hi guys, so I'm on a little stroll. It's beautiful springy day, not morning. It's about 2 o'clock in the morning. I'm just gonna have a little walk. It's really beautiful outside, so I just thought, yeah, let me just take a walk. There's nothing to lose except gain some steps and just clear ahead of depression. So yeah, but yeah, I'm very depressed. I'm full of gas because I ate. I don't know how you call it. It's like sour cabbage, and you just cook it, and you put it on the cooked potatoes, and a little bit salt and pepper, and that's it. So anyway, I'm walking. I'm not gonna go to the shopping center. Just going to the nature right now, and it's really warm, as you can see. But in the morning, it's really cold. It's like 0, and then during the day, it's 15 to 20 Celsius. It's really weird how that changes, and my mood is like here, there, and nowhere. And the worst thing is, my psychiatrist always tells me there's nothing wrong with me. So I don't know. So as I said before, they really raised our prices since we changed to euros, and it's really hard to take, to just convert everything in your head. Yep. Just walking to the nature, to the place where there's nobody, and yeah, it's a weird day. Everything seems disjointed today, like my talking, my ideas, my thoughts, on a day like this, when I feel down and depressed, like really depressed, I just make myself go out and walk. But it's just to stop the urge. Because you see, there is like this hoarder in me that just wants more dolls and toys. And in my life, it's impossible to do that. So what I do, I just walk like crazy. It's good for me, and plus it's good for my mind. And it's a beautiful day, so why waste it? And that's the thing. I think a lot of people, maybe some of you that watch this, just don't enjoy nature. I do. That's why I'm depressed when I'm home. Because look at this. Look at the mood. Today's mood. Chemtrails. But I guess good chemtrails, I don't know. I don't know if any chemtrail theory is right. It's just my thinking right now. Everything is just a big conspiracy. But look at it. I'm at the end of the world. This is the end of the trams. So, yep. Beautiful. So I'm coming to the nature. I am in the nature, God. But you can see it's pretty from the city. And people are singing there. And crazy people, I guess. But, yeah. The thing about this nature reserve is, and this is a jungle that's like preserved and everything is full of trash, and we just don't get that. Look at it. I just don't get that. So guys, I did the whole circle. I went around and I'm going home now. It took me like an hour and a half and it was nice. The sun is slowly setting and I'm just gonna rest. So it was a really nice walk and thank you for coming with me, listening to my jibber jabber and just rambling and doing nothing except walking. But I didn't want to record everything. It would be like 2-hour video, so yeah. I'm back home. I did a whole circle. It's like, I don't know, a few kilometers, and I did not record everywhere. I forgot, so yeah. But thank you for watching. Subscribe, like and share. And I wish people would comment, but there's always like 2 people who comment, which is kind of weird, because are people afraid of me, or I don't know. I reply all the time, so I don't know what's happening, but we'll see. Anyway, there's my building and I'm off to the bathtub, into the bathroom. Don't ask me. But yeah, so love you and talk to you soon, guys. Bye bye.